All right. Somebody was asking me how to record, to use screen record. Okay, but I've been seeing some videos online whereby some people have been using their system to do screen record, like inbuilt app for Windows. But I'm not using the inbuilt app that comes with the Windows 10 or Windows 11. I don't know. I'm not using it. So I'll just show the two software which I use. So the two software which I'm using are Badicam. This is it's Badicam and the Filmora. There was a Wondershare Filmora located over here at my bar here. Okay, Wondershare Filmora 15. So that's just it. So whenever you open your Filmora 15, this is how it's going to look like. Yeah, I was working on the video edit. So this is how it's going to look like. Okay, when you open it, you can install it through getting to PC. Like you can get the software from get it to PC, or it's another site again, but I'm trying to remember. But I'm just trying to show you the two app which I use. So this is for the Filmora. This is how it's going to open. Then to do your screen record, you have it over. You see it. If you want to record with webcam, if you want to record with your PC or record voiceover, select it. And also, if you are using Badicam, this is how Badicam is going to look like. Let me open it for you so you can see good. So I'm using 2025 for Badicam, and this is how it's going to look. So if you want to record, you can come over and record all your display screen or your specific windows. For example, I want to record on only the Wondershare Filmora that I just opened. So that is just it. Or I want to work on the Corrector app. So if you are working on only that's just it. It's just like a specific window. Okay. Then your mouse around and all that audio, and select your recording screen sizes, then select the area in case you want to record. So that is just it. And so I was just showing that what I use to record my screen is Bandcamp and Filmora Wondershare. The reason why I'm using Filmora Wondershare is because Filmora Wondershare is like an edit, just like it, just like this. You can see. So we have so many edits here. So this the reason why I'm using it is just that after I'm done with my recording, I'll use the Filmora to edit the video the way I want it to be. So that is just it. In case you are looking for where to get it, I'll drop your website where you can download free software online. Yes, either using Windows 10 or Windows 11, any of them will work perfectly. All right, thank you.